This is episode 2. You need an academic website. Hi there, I'm Jennifer, the academic designer. I founded this company to empower faculty and researchers. There is a stigma in the academy against sharing and self-promotion. I'm here to show you sharing in a meaningful way can lead to amazing things. Welcome to the social academic. Google yourself. Whatever you find, save it. Find everything you can. If you were a recruiter, what were you able to learn about your potential candidate? If you were an editor, what kind of writing or work ethic could you expect from this person? Now, think back to the first 5 minutes. That's about how long someone will give you, often less. You only have a moment to share who you are and why they should be interested. But when you do, it can change your world. With connected higher ed influencers out there, anxiety over managing your web presence is totally normal. Your friends and colleagues say you need to be on academic Twitter. Yeah, that's true, it would help. But what you really need is a website. Let me share why. Your academic website can host your curriculum vitae, link to your articles and publications, highlight upcoming speaking engagements, share your teaching interests and syllabi. More importantly, a personal academic website can show you're a human being. Social media is a great place for conversation or sharing ideas, but editors, potential employees, and colleagues will not be able to keep up with your accomplishments among the many other voices in the Twitterverse. No Instagram post can provide a complete abstract of your research, though it is better than Twitter for it. I believe scholars and researchers kind of have a responsibility to share their work in ways the public can engage. Doing so is becoming expected, especially in the UK. Publishers, grant and research funders, and employers are looking for people who can help promote their own work. Having an academic website can benefit your personal life because it communicates clearly to a broad audience. It can benefit your professional life because it provides detailed and specific information that your colleagues, administrators, and network need in one dynamic space. That being said, your online presence should not take all of your time. For 99% of academics, a personal site and weekly or even monthly social media post will be enough. Do that and it will be more than most. Let me teach you how to write effectively and reach an audience genuinely interested in your work, and join us next time on The Social Academic.